We're going to get right to that news from the Supreme Court, which impacts thousands of immigrants living in Ohio. The ruling was handed down just over an hour ago. Justices decided to allow the Justice Department to end the temporary protected status program. Right now, there are 1.3 million people from 17 countries. The Trump administration argued a judge should not be able to override immigration officials' decisions about protections. Today, leaders in Springfield are holding a news conference. They did this a short time ago to talk about what's next.
The state of Ohio extended licenses for people who were eligible for driver's licenses through because they had TPS through July 6th. So once July 6th passes, which is in a little over a week, they will not be able to renew those licenses or extend them again because TPS will not be in existence for Haitians anymore. So they won't be able to do that.
Now, immigration attorneys said the countries remain unsafe to return. Colin Dorsey is here with us now to talk about the impact here in Ohio. And you've been to Springfield when the spotlight was on the immigrants during the presidential election. And you talked with one of the lawyers this morning.
Right. I was down in Springfield almost every day when all of that controversy was going on. And when I talked with the executive director of the Haitian Support Center in Springfield just a couple hours ago, there were still a lot of questions. This decision wasn't down yet. But now, even with this decision, the question still exists of what's next. According to Springfield city officials, there are an estimated 12 to 15,000 Haitians living in Springfield. And of course, if you don't know where that is, Springfield is between Columbus and Dayton. And just this morning on The Big Picture, Bryn Caswell and I talked to the executive director of the Haitian Support Center in Springfield. TPS is provided to nationals of certain designated countries when it's no longer safe to stay there. That could include war, political instability, or widespread violence. I asked him today if he thought Haiti is safe to return to.
Haitian also attached to the country. So we are here just for safety reason and to continue to work to find a better opportunity. But many of us would be willing to get back home if the country was going back on track.
Now, he said during a focus group recently, there was an overwhelming consensus among the Haitians in Springfield was that they would go back to Haiti if it were safe to do so. Now, this lawsuit against the administration brings up the unfounded claims amplified by President Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance that Haitians were killing and eating pets. Immigration attorneys claim in this lawsuit that the move to end temporary protected status for Haitians was tinged by racism.
All right, Colin, thank you for joining us. Certainly more to come to that.